Hi there, Nicola Grace, the Mission Mentor again, and I want to thank you so much for signing up to be one of the 35,000 women with a message getting out there in the world. And we are at the global entrepreneurs platform called GeniusU, which is the brainchild of Roger Hamilton, my business mentor, and also my business co-pilot, very instrumental in helping me grow my business as many entrepreneurs. And we want you using this platform to get your message out there and go global. And also this is where we have the 35,000 women with a message circle. So you're here, and if you've already got an account with GeniusU, you can sign in. Otherwise you just get started and you pick your method of signing in. I usually always sign in with Facebook, but you need to create an account if you don't have one. And once you've created an account, the first thing I want you to do is look me up and friend me so that I can very easily get you into our circle and accept you. And there'll be a little button here that says friend or send friend message, and it'll pop up here, and then I will say yes, and then scroll down on my wall where you've got 35,000 women with a message. You hit that and you join this circle, and this is where we're going to be communicating and supporting each other. So there'll be a button here somewhere that says join. There are members here that you can also join and friend and network. We'll post all of our events for our trainings here, our free trainings, the reviews. If you want to review how this circle and how great it is, we'd appreciate that once you've been doing it for a while. And library is where we're uploading all of the free resources for you. So what we want to do here is just show you how it works. This is where you want to live. You want to live in new articles. Once a week, post an article. Once a week, post a video or a podcast. No more than that, please, because we want all women's voices to be heard. And if people are posting more often than that, then nobody's going to be seen and heard, and that's not the point of this. So you can write a new article here in the GeniusU platform, or more importantly, stick your article link here, whether it is on your blog or on another website in Forbes and so on. So you've got nicolagrace.com. I'm just going to put blog here. And then this is important. You need to tag it so it shows up on the 35,000 women with a message. And then you can post. Later on, it would be really good if you joined other circles in your niche, in your interest, where your ideal clients are perhaps. And you would also put an @ and then their particular circle will come up and you would add that, so it also posts to them. Remember, this is bringing you authority. It's putting your content in front of people who could possibly share it. They may contact you and say, hey, they want to know more. They could be potential clients, joint venture partners, affiliates, or just a support network for you. Once you've done that, head up to explore and go to circles and join other circles. This is the greatness of this platform, is where you can join everything that you're interested in. If you're into education and you're in the education space or the health space, or the other things here, there's quite a lot on health. There's a lot of women's groups here, and there's quite a lot of groups. So you're just going to plow through here, joining all of those circles, writing all of your circles down, so when you post anything, you're going to know which circle to put the @ in front of, so that whatever you're posting gets in front of the people that belong to those circles. So this is a good way of building your authority. Next thing to do is to come up here to explore and go to micro degrees. This is where Entrepreneurs Institute and other mentors, me soon is going to have a micro degree up here, have micro degrees. Some of them are free and some of them you pay a nominal fee for, and you can pick which ones you want to do. The 3 I want all of you starting to do, which is about getting the foundation of your business fortified so you're making money and you're making the impact, is your genius. View that, do that one. You can see that 638,666 people are enrolled in here. This is going to help you learn more about what your natural genius is, so that you can live your life and build your business with a lot less resistance, and you can take the test there. Your passions is a great test you could do. It takes 5 minutes, I think, to find out what's really important to you. And then the Millionaire Master Plan is great because it looks at where you're at in your business now and what step you need to take to get to where you're making the $1 million and making the millions of impact as well. And you can view that there. So that's where we would get you to start. Now, I highly recommend you go over this video again and just do each thing. You can watch it on the video and go do it, or just watch the whole video again and write down what you need to do and get those things done. Super, super important. And we'll see you posting in the circle. Thanks so much for listening. Bye-bye.